All right, hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video, and let's dive in and take a look. Okay, there's a lot of interesting stocks going on here. One of the most fascinating ones to me is Amazon. So in the room, we've been selling a lot of put credit spreads on this one. So we did the 3100, 3090 today. We closed out the 3000, 2980 today, booking some good gains on that, doing some directional, but it's a little tricky. That's a diagonal right there. But the question is where does this end up tomorrow? If we look at open interest, you can see that, well, what I like to look at these nice round numbers. So like 3,200, not a ton of open interest at 3,200. But if we drop down to 3,100, you got a little bit more there. What Amazon tends to do is it tends to gap up on expiration Friday and then just sell off. I don't know if that's what's going to do again this time, but my plan for tomorrow would be to exit my remaining longs in the morning, knock on wood, hopefully on strength, and then look at throwing on some cheap butterflies and put debit spreads below the market with the idea that we see that normal swooning into the close that Amazon tends to do on expiration Friday. Tesla, on the other hand, is just the opposite. So same thing with Tesla. We've just been doing a lot of put credit spreads and things like that on Tesla. And what we're looking at here, if we look at Tesla for tomorrow, in terms of where, could it pin at 1400, there's some pretty decent open interest there. But what I'm looking at here on Tesla is that we get, and I am looking for this move, at some point, obviously, Tesla could do this strange thing called a pullback. But what I am looking at here is that we've got this nice little trend line here to the downside. Let me make this yellow so it's a little bit more visible. And the idea with this is that we've now got a head and shoulders reversal underneath it. We do have a 30-minute squeeze, so it would make sense to me that we can actually come up and retest these highs, possibly pop through it, and that could happen tomorrow as Tesla does tend to rally. From there, though, it's anybody's guess. So that's what I got. In the premium video, I'm going to talk about some hedges I'm putting on for the weekend, some trades in bonds, and some other trades like this. But overall, tomorrow, expiration Friday, should be good. And then just be careful for next week. I'll show you all the warning signs that I'll be looking at here in the premium video. Skew, put call ratio, bond market, VIX, and all that kind of stuff. We definitely want to be setting up some hedges. All right, have a great night, and we'll see you at the next update.